Martens will stay far away from your car. You don't need expensive or harmful chemicals. This simple trick effectively protects your vehicle from these clever pests. Martens often roam at night and can chew through cables. To keep them away, take a plastic bowl and add 3 tablespoons of flour. It helps bind the ingredients and hold the scent together. Then add 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. Its strong smell, when it reacts with moisture, is especially repelling to martens. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. The cheese enhances the scent, but, when combined with yeast, creates an odor that martens can't stand. Mix everything well and place the bowl near your car, in the garage, or anywhere you've noticed signs of martens. You can also sprinkle some of the mixture under the hood. The combination of cheese and fermenting yeast produces a smell that repels martens. It's a natural, effective, and safe way to protect your car and stop worrying about chewed wires and nighttime noise. Just a few drops of this, and mice and rats disappear. These rodents can't stand it. Do you also have a problem with mice and rats? Or maybe you're terrified of them and want to prevent them from showing up. This is a natural way to get rid of them once and for all. This homemade spray effectively keeps unwanted rodents away. First, grind 1 tablespoon of cloves in a grinder so the scent becomes stronger. Transfer the ground cloves into a bowl. Pour in 1 1/4 cups of warm water and add 1 teaspoon of hot chili powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything well so the ingredients blend together. Strain the mixture into another container to remove the spice residue. Now take 3/4 of a cup of the extract and dilute it with 2 cups of water to get the right consistency. Pour the ready spray into a spray bottle. Spray it in the areas where mice and rats are most likely to appear. This natural spray drives rodents away with the strong scent of spices.
Mice and rats run the moment they get close to this. My home is rodent-free, and you don't need to buy any store-bought traps. Grab a whole head of garlic. It has a strong smell that lingers for a long time and works as a natural repellent. Next, take regular wooden toothpicks you probably already have at home. Start sticking them into the garlic one by one. Use a lot of them. The best way is to push toothpicks into each clove from every side. It's a completely natural solution that won't harm plants, pets, or the soil. Wait a few minutes, but that's not all. You can make it even stronger. Take a bowl and pour in about 7 fluid ounces of water. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon because it has a sharp, irritating scent that works as an extra deterrent. Mix everything well until it's combined. Now just pour this over the garlic. The liquid spreads the smell around the garlic and the area nearby, making it work even better. Cinnamon and garlic together create an intense scent barrier that mice and rats can't stand. Place these garlic spikes near entry points, in the basement, along the walls, in the garage, or anywhere you've seen rodent activity. They'll smell it and avoid those areas completely. With this, they stop coming back. And now you know how to drive rodents out of your home quickly and naturally.
Rats and mice disappear instantly. No need to spend money on harmful traps. This homemade method will effectively protect your home from rodents. Start with a plastic bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. The flour acts as the base. It has a pleasant smell that encourages rodents to eat the mixture. Next, add 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. This is the key ingredient. Once inside the rodent's digestive system, the yeast reacts with moisture, begins to ferment, and produces gas. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated cheese. The cheese works as bait. Its strong smell acts like a magnet for rodents, who can't resist it. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the prepared mixture in the bowl by the front door or outside. You can also sprinkle it along doorways. The smell of cheese will attract the animals, but the yeast and flour inside their bodies will cause fermentation, which they can't digest. With this simple solution, you'll get rid of rodents quickly, effectively, and without chemicals. You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes. This is the strongest mosquito repellent, and you can make it in just 2 minutes. Here's a simple and effective way to get rid of them for good. You only need 3 ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. First, grab a bowl or a pitcher. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of apple cider vinegar, and then 200 milliliters of water. Now add a few sprigs of lavender. If you don't have fresh lavender, lavender essential oil works too. The scent repels flies, mosquitoes, and ticks. Mix everything well. Let the mixture sit for a few hours so the ingredients blend fully. Then strain it through a sieve and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it around window frames in your home. If you have a balcony door, spray that too. For even better results, mist your curtains or drapes as well. I guarantee, this summer you can forget all about buzzing insects flying around your ears. This smoking can is great for keeping mosquitoes away. It's a cheap and effective way to deal with these insects. Here's how to get rid of mosquitoes for good. You don't need to buy expensive repellents. You can keep them away without spending a single cent. First, get an empty egg carton. Cut it into smaller pieces. They need to be small enough. It's a clever way to reuse an empty egg carton. You don't have to cut up the whole thing at once. You can always make more pieces later. Next, take an empty drink can. Cut off the bottom like you see in the video. You can use a utility knife for this. In the cut-off bottom, make a few holes with a nail. Just a few are enough. In the remaining part of the can, cut a small window. Cut 3 lines at right angles to make the opening. You can easily do this with the knife again. Now, reassemble the can. Place it on a table, put the pieces of egg carton inside, and light them. When they start to smoke, close the can. The smoke from the burning cardboard pieces repels mosquitoes. This little stove is easy to make and works really well. Mosquitoes won't come near. They hate that kind of smoke. It's an effective way to keep them away without spending anything.